Seeking to put an end to renewed speculation over uranium mining in Meghalaya, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Thursday categorically reaffirmed the state's government's unwavering opposition to the mining of uranium and announced that the government will introduce a resolution to formally ban the activity in the state. Addressing recent media reports and public discourse on the issue, the Chief Minister asserted that the government has consistently maintained its position against uranium mining and has never accorded approval for any such project in Meghalaya. He said the proposed resolution to be passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will formally oppose and prohibit uranium mining, reinforcing the government's long-standing commitment to safeguarding the state environment and the interest of its people. The move is aimed at addressing persistent public concerns over the potential environmental and social ramifications of uranium mining while providing a definitive policy stance on the issue. The proposed resolution is also expected to dispel years of speculation and uncertainty surrounding uranium mining in Meghalaya, reaffirming the government's commitment to protecting the state's ecological integrity and public welfare.
That Government of India has not decided on any step forward. Number two, I have made it very, very clear number of times that the state government, especially our NPP-led government, is against the uranium mining, and that we have made it clear that we will oppose any form of attempt to have uranium mining in the state. Based on the suggestions and the decisions made by the NPP leaders in the meeting yesterday, we are moving forward and we will be working towards passing a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state, to show our commitment towards this decision of not allowing uranium mining, as we are aware about the different implications that it could have on our people, on our environment, on different aspects of our forest, and the overall impact that it can have on the people and the future of our state. And hence there are too many risks that are involved, and hence we are very firm, as I said once again, that we will oppose the uranium mining in our state and we will work towards passing a resolution in that aspect.